Name is Tracy Moore. It's Tracymoore. And I am a police sergeant with the Washoe County School District School Police Department. We're a small department. We're 38 officers. That includes the chief and the deputy chief. I would say, except for the chief and deputy chief, we have 36 people that carry these kits on a daily basis. And I keep, as the equipment sergeant, I keep a reserve stash in my office and probably get weekly requests to replenish their supply. I got to tell you, it's a very, very handy product to have in our setting due to Nevada has legalized marijuana. So we've come into a new problem of field testing their product. Commonly as edibles, kids are putting this stuff into foods, and the current test kit that we had wasn't capable of giving us that presumptive field testing. So the swab has become the product to help us test the edibles, to test the vape pens, to test the liquid. During a normal non-COVID environment, we probably use the kit on a daily basis. Our school of enrollment is 65,000 students. We have seen probably a 3 times increase in normal cases we did when it came to possession of a controlled substance. So it's a product that helps speed up that process, confirm it, and make a swift transition to the court system. With the swab kit, you don't have to touch the product. You're touching the product with a Q-tip. It's far safer for the officers by not having to touch that product. This creates some distance. Yeah, I mean, it's a very effective and easy way to test. It's actually easier than using the ampule test. You get a more rapid response. It's far easier to use and apply. It is an easier product to store and apply in the field. Far more effective.